Welcome to the fourth episode of Master Your Mind, Master Your Trading podcast. Today we are going to talk about how mindfulness can help traders stay focused and present in the moment. Hi, my name is Khushbu Jain, a stock market trader turned trainer and author and upcoming podcaster. As a trader, we all know how easy it is to get caught up in our thoughts and emotions. Feelings like fear, greed, anxiety can cloud our judgment and lead to poor decision making. This is where mindfulness comes in. Mindfulness is practice of being present and fully engaged in the movement. It means being aware of our thoughts, emotion, physical sensation without judging them. By practicing mindfulness, we can develop greater awareness and control over our thoughts and emotion, which can help us stay focused and make better decisions. So how can we practice mindfulness as a trader? Here are some tips. First, start by taking a few deep breaths before you begin trading. This can help you calm your mind and focus your attention. Second, pay attention to your thoughts and emotion as you trade. If you notice yourself getting caught up in fear or greed, take a back step and observe these thoughts without judgment. Third, take breaks throughout the day to practice mindfulness. This can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, going for a short walk, or practicing a brief meditation. Fourth, practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you are grateful for. This can help you maintain a positive mindset and reduce stress. Last, seek support from others. Join a community of traders who practice mindfulness or work with a coach or therapist to help you develop a mindfulness practice. In conclusion, mindfulness can be a powerful tool for traders by staying present and aware of the moment, and we can make better decisions and avoid getting caught up in fear or greed. Remember, take breaks throughout the day, practice gratitude, and seek support from others. Thank you so much for listening. This is Khushbu Jain signing off.